It all began in the mid-80s when Flowcon developed an HVAC shock absorber. From the start, we've been driven by market challenges, positioning ourselves as an innovative frontrunner. This drive led to the invention of the pressure-independent control valve concept and the introduction of the world's first PICV in 1994. Our range of innovative solutions has developed around the same core idea: optimizing temperature control while reducing energy consumption through pressure independence. What sets our valves apart is their versatility and compactness. At the heart of every Flowcon valve is the revolutionary rolling diaphragm, which contributes to the compact valve design. With Flowcon's PICV, you get comprehensive coverage, with valve sizes ranging from DN15 to DN250, and flow rates from almost zero all the way up to 76.8 liters a second. For simplicity and ease, we can offer the same actuator type with a display and with a programmable feature for the entire size range. So why is this technology a perfect fit for data centers? Data centers require precise and reliable cooling to operate efficiently. Our PICV technology ensures optimal temperature control, significantly reducing energy consumptions and thereby lowering CO2 emissions. This do not only result in considerable cost savings, but also translates to supporting your sustainability goals. Flowcon valves deliver consistent performance, making them an invaluable asset for any data center. Now you might wonder about the implementation process, whether you're working on a new project or considering upgrading an existing system. Flowcon makes the transition seamless. Our valves are designed for easy integration, minimalizing downtime and disruption. For existing systems, they can be retrofitted with minimal hassle, ensuring a smooth upgrade path without significant operational interruptions. Contact us today to discover how we can help you and support your data center project.